Hi everybody, it's your girl Nene, all things Nene. I'm back again today with a hair review, and today I'm reviewing this hair. I actually have in my hair with the infamous miracle knots. Yeah, the miracle knots we've seen all on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. This particular hair I have is from Ywigs. I had bought 100 strands. This is water weight crochet. It's pre-separated and it's the feather extensions. This was actually $102, and this is a 100 strand. I didn't use all 100. I used 90% of it. I probably have like 20 left over in the bag right here. But the great thing about this, I love it because it's human hair. You can straighten it, you can blow dry, you can curl it, you can do whatever you want. But I prefer to just wear it in its natural state, and I maintenance it by using a little water and conditioner, shaking it up and spraying it on, and just get up and going. It's great. I love it. I do my own hair because no tea, no shade. I mean, if you prefer to have the braid shops braid your hair down, then you put your own hair in, that's cool. But me, I prefer to do my own hair because I didn't have bad experience with the Africans braiding my hair. Quick story: back in the days, I used to get my hair done at the Africans braided, and I used to get what was they called? The little thin braids, micro braids. Yeah, there you go, micro braids. It's like a version of the boho braids today, except it's just braid. It's just curly ends and braids. That's all it was. So anyway, back to the story. I was very lazy with my hair. Like I get my hair done all the time. So having someone like you can get your braids taken out of your hair for $50 if you let them do it. Because I didn't have the patience, and I was like, okay, $50, here you go, just take them out, and so I can get some more or get another style. I didn't care. I wasn't thinking either. So mind you, my natural hair is long. Okay, so I go and get my hair, the braids taken out, and they just get to cutting away at the braids, cutting, 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 cutting. And I'm like thinking to myself, wait a minute, slow down, Jim Shoe. You cutting a little too far up. I mean, down. Like, are you cutting my hair? Man, when they took all them braids down and cut, and they took that all the braids is gone, my hair was like uneven. It looked like salt and pepper, uneven hair, and I was so heated. I was so mad. I was about to fight somebody because they cut my hair. And then on top of that, I had the nerve to talk about, well, ma'am, if you don't pay our money, you gonna have to. We're gonna call the police. I said, well, you better call the police, but you best believe I won't be here when they get here. I'll be out the door, baby. No, you gonna jack up my hair and still take my money too? I don't think so. So that's the reason why I don't mess with them. No tea, no shade. I know things could be different now, but I have trust issues. I rather do my hair. If I'm gonna jack up my hair, it's gonna be me that's gonna jack it up, not somebody else that's gonna jack up my hair, and I'm paying them to do that. That don't make no kind of sense. It's going at the world backwards. But anyway, yeah, I love this hair, Ywigs, and I will be reusing it. Like I said, I'm taking it out. I've had this in for a month now. I'm taking it out next month, and I'll be probably getting some hair from them for some bundles for the sew-in. But for now, like I really approve of this hair. I had no shedding. It's soft and it's natural, and the hair is really light. It's like I don't even have it in. But yeah, yeah, get a chance, get your hands, pick up some Ywigs. This is not a sponsored video. This came out of my own pocket. Check them out. So yeah, everybody, I hope everybody is staying warm because it's colder than a pimp's heart out here. I'm in Chicago. I know New York, Minnesota, down south even is really cold. Everybody stay safe, stay warm. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Peace.